master design project for drawing Ultra Instinct Merno. Yeah, I know. Merno is an angel. He already he already has Ultra Instinct on his life. Another th- yes, I've seen Merno use this power before. All angels were brought to life with it. The first time I saw Merno use this type of ability was on his quest to travel through other timelines in order to regain his original half. This was a power that saw back in the old days before Merno came to be, continuing his quest. To be honest, out of all the angels, I never would have thought that Merno would be the first god to achieve it before Beerus did, or if Jiren did, or Vegeta. Here we are. That takes care of that. If I ever have a movie, I would put Merno in it as a return to show that he has goodness and potential. Anyway, here's the Ultra Instinct aura that surrounds him. And done. That is how you draw Ultra Instinct Moro. Be sure to check out the playlist in the comments section below. Be sure to check out the playlist. That is all.